Leo.
Okay. Amber?
I'm right there with you. I don't know if I'd go on that.
No.
But if Leo, maybe.
See? I'm just working on the marketing.
Let's just talk about our forecast because things are quickly changing. The winds are getting stronger and stronger. Look at the gusts. This is Santa Ana in Orange County. Gusts up to 39 miles per hour right now. Sustained winds are coming in from the northeast. Those offshore winds at 24 miles per hour. So it's only going to get stronger as we head into the next few hours. So from now until about 10, but we're still going to see these really strong gusts even as we head into the lunch hour. So right now, all eyes are focusing right now on Santa Clarita, where we could see these gusts up to about 52 to 51 miles per hour from now till 10 a.m. And then we're also looking at some really strong gusts through Glendale. Same thing with Lancaster and also San Bernardino and the Riverside area. And then we're looking at these moderate gusts for the Anaheim area. Long Beach, not bad, but you will start to feel those really gusty and breezy conditions as we head toward the second half of the day. So as I mentioned, peak winds taking place this morning, and then after that, we're still going to see periods of these offshore conditions as we head into tomorrow. It just won't quite be as gusty, and that's why a lot of the advisories and warnings will be expiring later on today. But during this time, because we do have a low pressure sitting to the east of us, high pressure to the west, both of these systems are kind of bringing in these strong winds, but that low pressure is going to bring us some showers, some isolated thunderstorms possible, not just over the mountains, but also drifting a little bit more west of the mountains into the Inland Empire and then also into portions of Orange County. So this means each afternoon there is a possibility of these isolated thunderstorms up until about Sunday. Let's talk about the futurecast wind gusts. You can see as we head into the next hour, some of the strongest winds are going to start to take place right along where we're seeing the foothills and our usual wind-prone areas going into Thousand Oaks, Camarillo, the Inland Empire, shooting out toward Orange County, and then even the San Gabriel Valley, looking at some really gusty conditions this morning, and you'll continue to stay gusty as we head into the rest of the morning. But take a look at about 10:45. We start to see the winds relax just a little bit compared to what we're going to be dealing with within the next few hours, and then by just before the lunch hour, we really do start to see the winds kind of loosen its grip over Southern California. But again, still very breezy as we head toward the rest of the day, and then by the time we head into tomorrow, it's not going to be quite as gusty, but we are still dealing with both of these systems sandwiching Southern California, and that low pressure system is going to kind of get just to the east of us near the border of Arizona, and this is what's going to bring us that wraparound moisture. So overnight, we could start to see some showers over some of the mountains and the high deserts, and then by the time we head into tomorrow morning, we could start to see some showers over the Inland Empire, and then you can see by the afternoon, we start to see a little bit more of that activity drifting a little closer to the coast in Orange County, and then we start to see some more showers taking place by the afternoon, but everything slowly starts to wrap up as we head toward the end of the weekend. LA and Orange County are looking at a high today of 73, and because of that system getting closer to us, our temperatures will get down to the upper 60s by Saturday. For St. Patrick's Day Sunday, a little warmer, and then we start to warm up even more by the start of next week. All right, now we're going to take you over to the roadways.